Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on your Bumble account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your Facebook or phone number. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the People option, from which you can start matching with various different users right away. Now, if you wish to change your location on your profile, tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on current location to change your current location. This will use your GPS data, or you can also use the travel mode option and then enter which area you are traveling. You will need to subscribe for premium in order to use the travel mode. So if you haven't done that already, you can proceed with grabbing your subscription by using your payment method. Once you finalize your transaction and complete your payment through the premium subscription, you will be able to change your location on your Bumble account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on Bumble. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.